How do you tell if a diamond is real? Let me break it down. There's actually a ton of tests that you can do at home, but we're going to go through a few different ones that are nice and easy, and you should have all the supplies readily available. First up, we have the water test. All you need is a glass of water and a diamond. I'm going to use this 2.5 natural diamond. Gorgeous. This can only be done with a loose diamond because it's really about the diamond's weight. A diamond will have a lot of density and will float to the bottom. So there she is. If the stone floated at all or kind of stayed suspended, anything but dropping straight down to the bottom, it's not a diamond. Next, we're going to do the fog test. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the diamond and I'm going to breathe on it. A real diamond has properties that disperse heat quickly, so the fog from my breath should not linger on the stone. If it does linger for more than like a second, it's probably an imitation stone. God, it definitely got a little wet from my breath, but the fog itself dissipated really quick. Another one that you can do, which needs to be loose but is very effective, is the weight test. Diamonds have a very specific density, so if they aren't equaling the same weight and they're the same carat, then one is likely an imitation stone. I don't have a scale right now, but I have a lab diamond and a natural diamond in my hand, and they definitely weigh about the same, and they're both about 2.5 carats. Next is the mirror test. For the mirror test, hold the diamond in front of the mirror and move it around so you see those different angles. A genuine diamond will scatter light really intensely and cast really strong reflections. Next is the setting test. If you want to test a diamond that's already mounted in a setting, this is the first thing that you should do. Within this inner circle of the ring, you will see a stamp. This is a metal stamp and it indicates what metal the ring was made with. If it's gold, it will say 14K or 18K, sometimes even 10. And if it's platinum, it'll say PT or plat. This ring right here has our hallmark Brilliant Earth Lotus, and it says 18K LG. That indicates that the accent stones in the setting are made with lab diamonds, but real diamonds nonetheless.
If the metal's not stamped, it could be fake, which means that there's a higher chance that the diamond might also be not genuine.
A fun one to do is the dot test. This one specifically helps distinguish a diamond from glass or cubic zirconia. You're going to take a piece of paper and a pen or a Sharpie, and you're going to draw a small dot. We're going to take the diamond and we're going to put the table of the diamond, so that's the flat part on top, the only part in which it really can lay flat, and place it onto that dot. If you're looking down at the diamond and you're looking for the dot, you shouldn't be able to see it. If you can see it, it's probably an imitation. The high refraction of a diamond makes it so that the light is scattering and you actually can't find where the dot even is. In my opinion, the easiest test for someone who looks at diamonds all the time is to check it with a loupe. This magnifying glass test essentially means that you are going to look for a specific set of numbers or some other indicator on the diamond's girdle, and that will tell you if the diamond was graded by a third-party institute and is therefore verified. For example, the IGI or the GIA would put a serial number on this stone. It would tell us what exactly that number is that matches a specific report. This stone is from the IGI. I can literally see their logo. It says LG as well. Lab-grown diamonds should be marked LG or lab-grown. And then it has a set of serial numbers that we could type into the IGI's website and it would show us the report. In that same vein, wherever you buy a diamond, you should get a diamond certificate with it. The diamond certificate is its authentication on whether or not the diamond is real, and the stone will likely have that number on it. All of our diamonds are certified by a third-party grading agency, so you will get one of those reports when you purchase a diamond, lab or natural. If you want to learn more or read about some of the other tests that you can do at home, then visit our website.